All right, everyone, what's going on? So today we have something very special. We've been wanting to do this for a very long time. All right, we're doing something for the is300. Again, who would have thought, right? Now, recently, Liam has been chit-chatting and talking all day about this set of taillights that he just gets super hard for from some guy named like Dom IX or something. If you saw our latest video,
Dons_IX.
Dons_IX. Okay, I'm sorry I always get it wrong. But it is literally like 1207. His one buddy copped these taillights from like California, and we're gonna hit up HEB, and what are we gonna do?
We'll pick them up.
Yeah.
It's like midnight, so shut the fuck up.
The Dot Flexus was really nice enough to pick up the taillights for Liam, and another special new item that you will see soon later in the video. And yeah, he's pulled up to this HEB here, so we're gonna run up to that, throw them in the M3, and slap those babies on. It's gonna be
pretty excited
badass.
for him. Thank you, James, if you're watching this. I actually appreciate that a fucking ton. So
don't swear, this is a Christian YouTube channel.
I'm sorry. I appreciate it a ton.
That's more like it. So the Flexus is gonna be at the parking lot in like 9 minutes. So I thought, why not just do a quick poll, and I will show you guys what a M3 with an upgraded short shifter, M50 manifold tune, and dyno intake looks like with a, let's do a second gear pull at 40 miles an hour.
Lights out.
Lights out, baby. Hold on, I want to see what's up with that car behind me. I'm not... Oh, yeah. Yep, that was a cop. So we're going to do a second gear pull at 40 miles an hour. I'll show you guys what the M3 is all about. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Woo! Let's go, baby. I don't know if you guys could tell in the video, but let's say windows down, and if you're here in person, it sounds great. Like, Liam can vouch for me. I'm not even messing around. The thing sounds awesome. You don't even need an exhaust. Well, I mean, unless you're really into that stuff. Headers, for a fact, do give you horsepower gains, catback, all that stuff. As I've heard, allegedly, doesn't really do as much. But M50 manifold, tuned from active auto, dyno intake, and a short shift kit, she's definitely prime.
6.5 hours later.
Yeah, we're about to go get these taillights.
I just can't wait to get my taillights, dude.
To be fair, this fucker kept me
I just want to get some fish tacos and taillights, man.
Well, alright. He turned me on to getting Gran Turismo. I've been playing that shit way too much because it's quarantine and nothing else to do.
Okay,
alright, so here's the homie. Yeah, he's got the taillights.
It's the Flexus.
The Flexus.
It's the Flexus. Damn, what a flex, man.
Is that is300?
Whoa!
is3.
Is that another is300? What?
Whoa! is300 with Evo rims?
is300 with no brim? No rack. The Flexus.
What's up?
Say what's up.
Don hooked it up. Look how pretty these are, bro.
See you later.
See you, man.
Thanks for the lights, though. Appreciate it.
Yeah. Basically, we're gonna get rid of these ugly ass JDM fucking Honda Civic 2002 bullshit lights, and these eBay wrapped smoke. You can't really see them with the lights on. I don't know why they're not going off. Oh, the windows are down or something. But dude, why don't they go off? But they're smoke. They look
smoked.
Like the bulbs are shit, and I'm ready to get rid of them. It's stupid.
Let's go.
Yeah, so check that out. They look pretty good, but then they started bubbling up from the heat. I'm gonna be giving those to Matt, I believe. And then these taillights they're pretty worked over. They got like the crocodile skin or whatever. Time to go. So yeah, you get those little plastic pieces out. There's 4 of them. I have 3 of them for whatever reason. And then there's just flathead or Phillips head screws on the inside of them. And then you just kind of pull them out. There's not much to them. These ones are a little more involved just because you gotta pull the liner off. They're pretty easy too. I think they're with the, I think they have hex bolts on the back of them. Like a little, like 3mm or some shit. They're tiny. 3mm. I don't know what I'm thinking, but they're tiny. Alright, so you just gotta do this. And you just wobble them out. And all you gotta do is twist, pull, twist, pull, twist, pull. And then you gotta pull the loom. There we go. I don't want to cut the wires up on that plastic edge. It looks like I've already kind of started. So yeah, that's it. They're pretty light. Nothing to them.
Garbage.
Taillights with no chrome. This is so sweet. Oh, do you think fair how good these look?
Darth Vader looking ass taillights right here.
Oh yeah, these are shit. You're thinking with your head.
So I'm not going to show you, but we got the other taillight in, and now we're putting in the baby lights in the trunk.
Oh yeah, you got to test them out, make sure they work.
We'll test them out, make sure they work, but literally there's like a screw right here you take out, and then you pinch this clip in here, pop it up, and it pops right out for you. We're going to test them out, and then we will show you the sexiness of Don's.
They're no longer Don's, baby. They're Liam's.
Sorry, at Liam Schultz, limited, legendary, highly sought after lights. So homie over here has seen his lights. I was the one testing him, turning him on. Now to see him for the first time. Oh my gosh, what? Wait, hey, let the camera focus on these, man. Dang. Okay. Okay, these are pretty sweet, dude.
Yeah, look at the reverse. You can notice on the left one. See how it's kind of weird?
That's, dude, some like Skyline meets Blade Runner. Wow. How do you feel?
I own a Skyline.
Now, it's grill time, bro. You smell burgers? Because I think I do. Alright guys, I'm tired. He's tired. You're probably tired. We want to get this grill in. So we're going to do this Chris Fix style. Ready? Watch this, boys. We're going to go out with the old and in with the new. Whoa, it's a Toyota Altezza, bro. Oh my gosh, look at that badging. Look at that. It's real.
It's real gay.
She's got a GTE now. That's what the Altezza's had, right? A GTE?
Altezza had the beams and the like shitty little other 4-cylinder.
It's got a beams and a shitty little 4-cylinder now. Look at that. Whew. Dude, no more eBay parts. Congratulations.
Well, the headlights and all that jazz, but that ain't real.
We'll cut that part out. Little brother review, impressions on the IS.
All right.
And the new taillights.
All right. So I'm liking it. Got a nice little Need for Speed, GTR little look there. I'm digging it.
He's digging it.
Altezza grill?
Oh, and the new grill. You haven't seen that yet.
All right. Ah, sick. I love it.
It's a real Altezza.
It's cool with the blue, or with the, not the blue, the black. I was
Yeah.
thinking about painting it gold to match the rest of the car, the Savannah color, but I actually kind of like it black. I think I'll leave it like that.
No, keep it how it is, man.
Then
Keep it how it
the
is.
TRD side skirts and the TRD rear skirt, and then we're done with like kit pieces, unless I get a hood or something, but that's pretty much it.
That's a fat maybe.
But we're manual swapping, baby.
Bro, you can't tell him that yet.
Yeah, you'll just keep it out.
Another thing, if you want any of the old taillights or the mini lights,
Hit me up soon because they're for sale.
hit us up as fast as you can. Hit him up as fast as you can. You already know the Insta. At Liam Schulte _.
Liam _ Schulte.
Liam _ Schulte.
For sale.
And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more stuff Catch you guys later. Cool things coming with the M3. Hopefully next. Peace out.